Hi everybody, this lesson is on the relationship of division and subtraction. So we're going to show two examples on how they are related. Starting with a division problem, 56 divided by 8 equals 7. We're going to represent that using subtraction. So we have two numbers to help us break up our 56. We have our divisor, which is 8, and we have our quotient, which is 7. And we can subtract either one of them. And when we subtract, if I subtract my divisor from 56, I would subtract 8 continuously until I had 7 sets of 8, because 7 sets of 8 make 56. So 56 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of 8 will zero that out, showing that I have split up 56 into 7 groups of 8. I could do the same thing with our quotient 7, and I could say 56 and I subtract 7, but when I subtract 7, I would have to subtract it 8 separate times so that I would get 8 sets of 7, which is 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sets of 7 would zero that out. So if you want to take a look at how that looks, breaking it down chunk by chunk, I would do 56, subtract 7, and you're at 49. 49, if I take away 7, now I'm at 42. 42, subtract 7, I get 35. Continuing 35, subtracting 7, 28. 28, subtracting 7, I'm at 21. 21, subtracting 7, 14. 14 minus 7 gives me 7. And finally, I have a 7 minus 7, which zeroes me out. So I can see that this column here, containing my 7s, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, totaling 56. The next one is explaining why 30 divided by the value of x is equal to 6 is the same as taking our 30 and subtracting the value of x 6 separate times to zero that out. So what is the value of x in this example? Well, most of you already know just by looking at this that 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So we have our prior knowledge and our basic facts. So if I'm looking at it that way, when I see this problem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 30, and I'm going to make a visual like what we did in class with the blocks. And if I have 30 and I'm breaking it up into each of these x's, and I believe there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, like I said, I break this up into 6 equal parts. And if they are all equal and it totals 30, each section would have to be worth 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So each section is worth 5. So 30 divided into chunks of 5 give me 6. So there is that example of how they are both equivalent. I could also go through and I could do 30 minus 5 here is 25. Again, minus another 5 to get 20. Minus another 5, I'm at 15. Minus another 5, I'm at 10. Minus another 5, I'm at 5. And subtracting another 5, I'm finally at 0. So it works out. And there's two examples to help you move along with the practice on this. Make a difference today.